Hi YouTube. I didn't realize I wasn't recording this whole time. I've been doing microneedling for the last 3 minutes and didn't realize I wasn't recording. Again, I cleaned this. This is the Banisher version 3 at 0.25 millimeters depth, and rubbing alcohol from Costco. Cleaned it. I applied alpha-arbutin with 2% hyaluronic acid. Used distilled water. I've just been stippling on my cheeks and just trying to get a little bit of erythema, and that's it. You don't want to go too hard. I'm gonna go on my chin area only because I have some hyperpigmentation. There's a pinpoint bleeding. That's almost never happened to me. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this with soap and water and then rubbing alcohol. And as my skin is pretty red, I'm gonna use their Banisher vitamin C, but I'm gonna use very little because I am scared. So that's 2 drops. It's like I've never made YouTube videos like before. Ow. Ooh, my cheeks are pretty sensitive. They're red. I'm gonna go in with Vanny cream. Sorry, CeraVe. And that is all for my video today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you would like me to try next. I want to post more sunscreen review videos, and hopefully I can get to them and actually record them. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.